how to find Facebook user location. So if you find this video helpful, click that subscribe button and also turn on the notifications so you would be updated if there are new uploads. So for this tutorial, let us head on to the Play Store, and we need an app called Facebook Lite since it has the features that we need for this tutorial to work. So if you have already the Facebook Lite, just click on open. And then what you would do in the Facebook Lite is to log in. So once you are logged in, what you need to do next is very simple. Just go to the search button at the top, and then here on the search bar, just type in the name of the person that you want to search for. So let me type in the name. Just click on search, and then here, so there are a few options here. We must tap the people option, so tap on it, and in here you can see the city, the education, and the work. And of course for location we need the city. Tap on it. So you can also choose a location and type the location. So for example, I will type in this city. So you will see all the users name like that in a certain city. So I hope this tutorial helps and it is very clear for you guys. Thank you for watching this video.